Hey guys, it's me, Blue, and today we're playing Natural Disasters, as you can see, and then we're doing the Rainbow Ride, I think that's what it's called. And we're going to be playing two classic games, but not three, because I was going to play Normal Elevator. Then, I realized that Normal Elevator has, what's it called? Oh yeah, copyright music. So, we're going to do two. And I just died, great. Okay, so we're in the lobby. Hmm. So, I know a little secret in this lobby. So, you go down here, press the floor, then it takes you to the secret room with the old Roblox Studio logo. As you can see, this is the only Roblox Studio logo that is light blue, not black. I don't know why they had to change the Roblox Studio logo. The Roblox Studio logo was actually fine. So let's go back up. Now let's see what's going on here. Okay, so only two people survived somehow. Well, okay, so it won't let me press this X. I don't know why. Hold on. There we go. So, what do you think the next map will be? Personally, I think it will be the Arch Park. I don't know why. Let me see. Let me see if I'm right. Nope, I was not. I was not right. I was wrong. Well, this map is pretty underrated too, but it's still technically a great map. I like this one. No, let me just go up here. Let me jump. Oh, there we go. So, I guess we just wait for the disaster then. Okay, when's the disaster gonna start? I'm waiting too long. Sorry, my audio glitched there. I don't know why. My microphone broke for a second. Any earthquake? Oh my, are you kidding me? Hold on, let me just get down. Okay, now I will be perfectly fine. Hopefully I do not die. Bro, what the? Okay, no. Ow! Okay. In my 22 years of teaching, I have never, ever had this problem in my life. How is this possible? Ow! Ah. Anyways, time to eat this apple. Oh god, not an exploiter. Oh my god. Not another one. Bro, can an exploiter... I might try to jump on his head. I did it! I did it! Anyways, finally, I didn't break my mic for once. Let me just eat this apple. I'm still gonna continue to jump on his head for no reason. Okay, now where is he? I was right there. I'm gonna try to jump on his head. Let's... Ooh, I think I know what he's doing. Let's go! No. Wait, no. Are you kidding me? I died. But, bro, okay. Bro, that guy saved my life. Oh, I accidentally pressed that. Oh my god. Anyways, that's such a beautiful avatar right there. That's the prettiest avatar I ever saw. What's the... I hate this exploiter. I'm just gonna get away from him. Because last time I dealt with an exploiter, It did not go well. I got flung across the map for a while. Ooh, launchpad. Hopefully this one's normal. So here's what you do. First, you press these blue buttons since I'm the only responsible one and knows how to do it. Then you go up here, press this blue button. Now you just have to get back in time, get back up, and we're off. Yes, we're gonna make it. Yes, yeah. Okay, I fixed my mic around. But that took me like 10 minutes to fix. I thought my microphone was broken for a second. Anyways, I learned my lesson. Anyways, on to the next game. Let's go! We're in Flood Escape. Excuse me, hold on, someone's calling me. Okay, that was really weird. People kept adding, oh my god, what did they do to me? I look like a 1x1 Lego piece. Why am I so fat? Anyways, as I was saying, I was added to this freaking group call, and they kept calling me a fairy. They kept calling me, Kitty, go back to your home and never call us again. Okay, anyways, that was really weird, but we should continue doing hard mode on Flood Escape. Okay, now, there it is. Never mind, I can't get it now. But I swear to God. They're calling me again! It happened again. Bro, I'm just going to ignore the call now. Even if it drains my phone battery. Let's go, 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 go. Go! Let's go! We did lose somebody. Trust me. Oh, my friend joined. That's cool. Anyways, how are we supposed to get over there? With the drowning. God. Okay, I'm gonna be texting. Hold on. I don't know what I was trying to say. I forgot. This recording was like a few days ago. Or yesterday. Dude, I'm gonna die. So long, Crew World. Anyways, I'm gonna end this video right here. So, yeah. Actually, no, we might do a round with him. Even though I'm basically taller than him. Yeah. Let's do this. Okay. Bro, I don't even know how my microphone is still working. My microphone didn't work for 10 minutes. When are people gonna... Okay, people joined. I will use a reel of names to make videos ideas if I need to. Bro, this intermission's too... Okay, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. How do I get this off my screen? Ah! Okay, let's get the facility. I'm ignoring that call I'm getting. Okay, let's go. So, what do we do? Okay, I'm gonna end this video. See you later, guys, and bye.